Convert between imperial units. Example 5 has got 6 parts, so we'll scan through. You can pause the video and have a go at them. So example 5A and B, pause the video. Example C, D, E and F, pause the video and have a go at those two. Okay, for converting imperial units we need to know some common conversions. 1 foot is 12 inches, 1 yard is 3 feet, 1 pound is 16 ounces and 1 stone is 14 pounds. These are distances or lengths, and these are masses. So there are many conversions between imperial units, and we will study a few of the most common ones. You should be able to do any conversion if you are given the conversion. So there's other ones that we haven't included here, but these will be ones you'd like to know, even for a life skill. So example 5A, express the given quantity in terms of the unit in brackets. We've got 3 foot 2 inches. We need to change it all into inches, so the 3 foot has to be changed. 1 foot is 12 inches, so 3 foot would be 3 12s, which is 36. And then you add on the 2 more inches, which are here, and that would give you 38 inches. You can write IN for inches. Sometimes you have a little inverted commas to indicate inches, so that's 38 inches. Part B, we've got 4 yards and 2 foot. We need to change it all into foot or feet, so the yards will have to change. And 1 yard is 3 feet, so 4 yards would be 4 3s, which is 12. So that would be 12 feet for your 4 yards, plus the extra 2, which would give you 14 feet or 14 foot. Part C, we've got 40 inches and we need to change that into foot and inches. Remember that it is 12 inches that make a foot. So we need to see how many times 12 goes into 40. So 40 divided by 12, well 40, if you divide it by 12, 12 3s are 36, and that would be a remainder, or what's left over, would be 4. But the 4, don't call it a remainder, the 4 that is remaining is still in inches. So you would say that that is 3 feet, and then 4 inches. Part D. We've got 10 foot, so we need to put that into yards and feet. So 3 feet make a yard, so 10 feet, how many yards is that going to be? We can see how many 3s go into 10. And 10 divided by 3 is 3, and there's a remainder 1, or 1 left over. That 1 left over is 1 foot, so that's 3 yards and 1 foot. Part E, 3 stone and 2 pounds, and put it all into pounds. Well, your conversion for stone, you know that 1 stone is 14 pounds. So 3 stone would be 3 14s, which is 42. And you've also, it's 3 stone 2 pounds, so you've got the extra 2 pounds to add on, and you would get that is 44 pounds. 44 lb is the abbreviation for pounds, by the way. This time we've got 40 ounces. We need to change it into pounds and ounces. So what's the conversion for pounds and ounces? Well, 16 ounces make a pound. So how many times would 16 go into 40? That would tell you how many pounds it is. So 40 divided by 16. You might think it's hard to divide by a large number like 16, but it's a small enough answer. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes would be too many. That would be 48. So it only fits in twice. What's the remainder? Well, 16 twos are 32, so there's 8 remaining. So that gives you 2 holes, which is your 2 pounds. and then you've got your remaining 8 ounces.